Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to create a Facebook carousel ad. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are you looking for ways to increase engagement on your Facebook page? Or are you looking to increase traffic to your website or your landing page? Carousel ads can include up to 10 cards that users can scroll through. It can be shown as multiple photos or videos. It appears as a single post, and more viewers can browse multiple content that you can promote using carousel ads. A carousel ad can help you showcase various products or services in just one ad. Each card can have a separate URL link so that viewers can click on a specific product page or even a landing page. It helps drive more traffic to your website as well. Now let's create a carousel ad. Go to the page where you want to create a carousel ad. Access your Meta Business Suite. From the left menus, click All Tools. Then under Advertise, choose Ads Manager. A new window or tab will show up. It shows the existing campaigns that you have created. Now click Create. On this pop-up window, choose a campaign objective. Now choose Conversions. Then click Continue. In this field, you need to write your campaign name. Click Next. Now type in your ad set name. Under Conversion Event, choose View Content from this drop-down list. Next, set a budget. You can choose from a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Then type in the amount that you can allot for this campaign. Next, set a schedule for when this ad will run. Set the date on the calendar and the time to start. Next, you can set an end date, but this is optional. Under Audience, you can create a new audience or use any saved audience. Now click Next. Write your ad name in this text field. Under Identity, select a Facebook page where you want to apply this ad. If you have an Instagram account connected to your Facebook page, it will automatically show up here. Under Ad Setup, you can find a creative source. By default, Catalog is selected. If you want to add media from your computer, then choose Manual Upload. Under Format, choose how you would like to structure your ad. You can choose from these options: single image or video, carousel, or collection. Now let's choose carousel. Scroll down to the ad creative. Take note that you should select photos with this resolution, but don't upload photos below this resolution. Now choose an image. Type in the headline. Then you may add an optional description. Then type in the website URL where you want people to be redirected as they click on this image. Now select or upload another image. Then write a headline, then type in the website URL. Now we have added 3 photos as our carousel ad using this Facebook page. Now you can see the preview of the carousel that we have created in this section. Under Edit Placement, you can choose where you want to show this ad. You can choose Instagram feed, stories, explore, or Facebook feed, stories, or more. You may choose to enable or disable these options. This option shows a card with your Facebook page's profile photo at the end of the carousel. Now add a primary text here. You can type in the text that shows the features of the products or services that you are promoting on your carousel. If you check out the preview, the text will be shown in this section. Tap on Advanced Preview. You may notice that you can view previews of all the available placements where you can promote your carousel ad. You can see the preview for the Facebook and Instagram feeds, Marketplace, video feeds, and more. You can check each placement to see how your viewers will see your carousel ad. Below, you can select a call to action for your carousel. By default, it shows Learn More. If these are products from your e-commerce site, then you can choose the call to action Shop Now. Next, you need to place a destination where you want your viewers to be redirected as they click on this call to action button. Once you're done, click Publish. And that is how easy you can create a Facebook carousel ad. We have a marketing app that allows you to track ads from your competitors. Adplify gives you 7 popular SaaS tools for total Facebook ads domination. With Page Ad Watcher, you can track ads from your competitors. With Hidden Insights and Audiences Finder, you can find high-profit audiences that Facebook Ad Manager hides from you. Boost your conversions with behavioral retargeting. With Page Targeter, you can get the audiences and the strategies of top businesses in your niche. With email list to audience, you can turn every lead into a buyer with instant list to Facebook retargeting. With Ad Decorator, you can make people stop scrolling every time they see your ad. With ROI Calculator, scale your ad's profitability without paying first. Try Adplify now. Go to getadplify.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.